Now, the reason that I want you to know these steps is because I want to share with you, you can get this information. I think if you did some Googling, you could find how to do all of these things on the internet, probably for free. You can find some of it for free. You know, it'll be in bits and pieces. You know, you won't get the whole thing, but I want you to know that this is what you're looking for. So when you're looking to get some education on stock market investing, you need to make sure that they have all of these things in place. And of course, I can tell you, I have packaged all of this up and more, and I put it in my program. And my program is 21 Days to Stock Market Investing. Just like this course, it's you don't have to have ever seen the stock market before, ever seen a stock quote before. You know, I'm going to tell you, this Stock Savvy Sessions is just a mini course, just like my 21 Days course. It is so much like Stock Savvy Sessions that you'll say, I've done this before. And I did that on purpose. I wanted to show you what it felt like to go into learning about stocks, especially those of you that have never seen it before, and you see how it works. And you see that doing this online can work for you. You see that you can do homework, and you can have access to a coach, and you can have a tribe of people that work with you, and you can learn and have fun. Oh my God. That is my program, 21 Days to Stock Market Investing. Again, you don't have to have known anything about the stock market. It's live online course via web teaching, just like we did here. It won't be Facebook. It'll be a private link. There's 3 live classes. We did 4 classes here, but for the 21 days, it's 3 live classes, 1 class every 7 days. So it won't be every night. It's 1 class weekly. Now, each class is 2.5 hours. So you got to buckle down and get you some tea, get your water, get your snacks, whatever you need, because we're going to get at it. And we're going to get this done in 21 days, but I am not going to shortchange you on information. So I'm going to pour it in you. And the classes are live. This is not videos which you buy yourself. Just like I taught this live, I'm going to be live for these 3 sessions. How do you like that? If you like live training better than video training, say I like live. Now, I'm also going to give you biblical investing lesson with each lesson. I'm going to also give you homework, resource guides, group learning, and live coaching, just like here. Again, the Stock Savvy Sessions is just the mini version of my 21 Days to Stock Market Investing class. So let me share with what else we have in this course. I call it a program because it is a program. A class is where you go and you have some learning, and then you take it and you go do something with it. So with that, the investing personality assessment. Every student will take a investing personality assessment. I have developed this assessment over time, and it is a 10-question assessment, and I score it, and then I will share with you what your investing personality is like. And then I'm also going to share with you, everybody's going to see what everybody in the class's investing personality is. Again, the strength comes when you come out of hiding and come out of isolation. The more you share, the more you're going to learn. And then I also share with you my investing personality. And the reason that we need to do that is so that as we talk amongst the group, and I share with you what I'm doing, and when you get in the other graduates forum, you look at everybody's personality and you go, oh, wow, that's what he's doing? Oh my God, that scares me. Look at his investing personality and you would understand. And I show you the polar opposites. You're here, I show you what's exact opposite of you. So you'll say, not only do I not want to do that, thank you for the warning. I do not want to do that. So, okay. So with that, I want to also share with you, we'll have 60 days of virtual trading. I'm going to set up a virtual trading account for you so that you can trade virtual money against the real market. Remember how I said practice and do it? And we're going to do that for 60 days, 2 months. I'm going to give you an assignment and grade you just like you're in school. I'm going to give have a midterm, go look at your portfolio, show you what you need to do differently. And you're going to be trading against the real market with virtual money. Because I want you to get so comfortable with this that when you go to put your own money in, you know this is not the first time that you have issued a stock trade. And I promise you, when you do a virtual trade, your heart beats fast. My heart beats fast in virtual trading. It makes me watch things. I say I'm going to watch a stock, but you let me put virtual trading in. I'm watching that thing every day at that point. Don't ask me why it works that way. And I've been doing this for 20 years. So you're going to get 60 days of virtual trading. Now, after that, we'll go into a graduates forum. Now, let me tell you, some of my students, I had one student, I don't know if that student is here. Sometimes that student shows up for my extra courses. That student said, Carolyn, what did they say? They say, I'm in my 60s. I don't have 9 months to wait to trade stocks. And I said, you don't have to wait 9 months. And the reason they said that is because I said, after this and after the 60 days, I'm going to give you a 6-month subscription to a graduates forum. And it's all people that's graduated the stock class, just like you. And you get 6 months in there. And when you get in there for 6 months, look at what you get in that 6 months. You get advanced teachings from me every month. At least one advanced teaching. And that teaching may have 6 to 7 subjects in it. The information I shared with you about oil, I didn't just develop that here. I pulled that from some of the training that's in this graduates forum. I've taught this to my group. We have probably 5 or 6 different lessons on oil and gas and stock prices and energy sector. So you'll get a session like that at least once a month. You'll get a video library of advanced topics. There's over 170 videos just like that oil teaching. And what it is it's all the teachings that I've done from an advanced standpoint, and they're all now in a library. You can go watch them at any time. So this is the secret sauce right here, because you can go and catch up. This is not the fundamentals. This is more tied to how do you use this in today's market, and how do you use this in what's going on. And let me tell you some things that you can do in different companies to look at. So that's the video training library. Now, I'm also going to share with you 2 of my stock portfolios, my real money. I give you reports every month of these 2 stock portfolios. One is a $10,000 portfolio, and it's called Tracking Carolyn's 10K. I'm not running a race. It is a $10,000 stock portfolio. Or it started out at $10,000, but it's way higher than that now. And I show you every month exactly what I bought and what I sold and what the performance is. And we track the performance after I set goals for the first of the year. So I set goals, and then every month we're measuring to see how I reach those goals. You can do the same thing that I'm doing in your portfolio if you choose, or you just learn. You learn how to track, you learn how to trade. Now, a second portfolio that I share with you every month is the Start with 300. What I teach is you can start investing in the stock market with as little as $300. And so I have a $300 stock portfolio, and I'm trading in there too. So you can see what I'm doing in that portfolio as well. So that way, because sometimes in the $10,000 portfolio, some of my students say, Carolyn, I don't have $10,000 to put in the market. And I go, wait a minute, let me eat my own dog food, because I'm sharing that you can invest starting with $300. So I actually do it in a stock portfolio. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, both of these portfolios, when we had the downturn, I did liquidate these portfolios. So I'm doing something else different in the group right now, and I'll tell you about that in a second. Now, you get virtual trading. Just like you did the 60 days of virtual trading for the class, you move into another virtual trading environment and you get virtual trading for 6 months. So if you want to test out a strategy, you can do it in the virtual trading with everybody else that's in the graduates forum. And so you also get live impromptu market updates. You may see me just pop up and say, hey, it's Carolyn. Let me tell you guys what's going on. So I do that on a regular basis, and I'll tell you what I have started doing. We've never been here before. When the VIX, when the volatility index is very high, when it's over 40, I pop in and I do a live training every week with this group. I want to tell you what's going on when the market is this volatile. So what I'm doing this weekend is I'm going to say we're going to go through fundamentals, and I have identified companies that are trading at $5 or less, and we're going to go through, will these companies survive? And we're going to look at the fundamentals. Of course, we don't know, but it's things like that. I gave out a listing of 15 stocks that are trading under $10 that's dropped more than 15% in the last 5 days or something like that, meaning these things have just dropped. And here's 15 of them, and they're trading under $15. So these are low price stocks, because what happens when they drop fast like that, it's likely they're going to rebound right back up. We learned about that. So this is what I'm doing, live and impromptu market updates. And so now it's regularly scheduled as long as the volatility is high. And I've never had to do this before because we haven't had this type of volatility. So my group loves it because they're trading, they're saying, wait a minute, I'm jumping in now that stocks are cheap. And so we're talking about what we're trading. When do I buy? When do I sell? So this is fun. So you may see me active on Facebook, but you don't see me posting on my personal timeline. That's because I'm in my stock group all the time. I am there all the time. So that's what we get. That's what you get also. So the $10,000 portfolio and the $300 portfolio, I'm not posting those because I liquidated those when we started having the volatility, and I'm doing more quick trades. So I'm sharing with the group what I'm buying for quick trades. Now, there's more. There's more that you get in this group, in this program. Now, you're going to take this class and you say, okay, how long do I get access to this? Your class that you take, the 21 days to stock market investing, the 3 live classes, 2.5 hours with all of the downloadable resources and homework assignments. How about lifetime? You get lifetime access to this, your class. I'll tell you, when I went through a cancer battle with my a very close family member, one of my siblings, my brother. We went through a cancer battle with him, and he is sleeping in the Lord right now. But in that year in which we went through that cancer battle, I walked away from all of my market activities. I put everything on autopilot. I said, if it drops down to here, sell it automatically. If it goes up, just let it keep going up. And I walked away for 10 months. So, and there's sometimes that happens. You may not be able to put time in the market, but if that happens, because we know life is going to come, I want you to be able to go back to it and refresh yourself. That's the reason I give you lifetime access. This is not just for a period of time when you invest, just like a pair of jeans, or a pair of jeans may not last you a lifetime, but if you cut them all up, but leather lasts a lifetime. Unless you cut it up, a leather sofa, a leather chair, a leather belt, it'll last you a lifetime. You can get that thing repaired. So lifetime access to all of your education. Now, you won't have lifetime access to the Graduates Forum group, but after you graduate from the group, you can stay in that group for a while, but there is an annual cost associated with that. But we'll talk about that next year. So access to and then you also have access to a live group coach that cares about your success. And that person is me. I have virtual assistants that help me so much in this. They take a lot of the work off me so that I can spend the time with you. Because it is important to me. It is not a testimony to me for you to take my program, take my class, and not know how to trade. That is not a testimony. So I want you to know. And you know what? This is a 9-month experience. So I'm going to serve you. Like I said, I changed to where I'm now meeting with that group once a week when volatility went up. I never had that before. The reason that the $300 portfolio came up is because people said, Carolyn, I don't have $10,000. And I go, well, let's do a $300 portfolio. So I'm looking at the group and seeing how it can best benefit you. And so I'll tell you, in this 9-month period, I know that there probably will be additional programs or classes that I give. And all of that is a part of the program and included. Now, you may say, Carolyn, okay, I hear you. How much is this program? Now, first of all, when you get all of this, when you go to look for other training across the web, look at any of my competitors, and I want you to make sure that you're getting all of these things. My prices are way lower than most of my competitors, and I'll tell you why. Here's my price. For each individual, this program is $1,650 per student. That's if you make a one-time payment. If you want to pay over time, I will let you pay over time for this, and you can pay over a period of 4 months. Remember, you're gonna be with me for a period of 9 months, so you can pay over a period of 4 months. And so with that is $430 a month per student. Now, there is a premium based on the time value of money. So if you pay in the monthly plan, there is additional premium there. So you can see that total will be $1,720. Look over here to the left. You can see when the class starts. The classes are going to be on Mondays, Monday, May 4th, Monday, May 11th, and Monday, May 18th at 7:00 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, this class right now is valued at $18.99, but I am giving it to you as your stock savvy deal for $1,650 per student. So I think if you think that that's a good price, just tell me, say, Carolyn, that's a good price. Now, and if you don't know, I want you to go and look at some of my competitors and look at what you're getting and look at what you would get from them. And then you'll come back and say, oh yeah, everything else, Carolyn, costs $4,000. I know. The reason that my price is lower is because I want you to sign up. I want you to sign up. It does no good for me to put, now I am taking my price up every year. It goes up. My price goes up every time I offer this class. So if you want to take this class, know the next time you see it, it's going to go up just a little bit. And I'm getting to market value. But it does me no good when I see the people that signed on to stay with me every day for 4 days, which told me that you had an interest in this. If you weren't interested, you would not be here. Some of you are here early and you're commenting and you're enjoying this and you're learning. You see my learning style. You can learn from me. If I took this price up so much where you couldn't get in, then it does me no good to do this. So I want you to sign up. Now is the time while stock prices are low. Now, let me tell you, some people came to me a bit ago and say, but Carolyn, I want to do this. I want to do this with my spouse. I'm married and I want both of us to do this. And I go, well, hang on. Just like the IRS does, they give you a break when you come in and you file jointly, right? So here is a couple's price. If you and your spouse want to do this, then the price is $3,050 for a couple. That's if you make a one-time payment. If you want to, you can pay this over a 4-month period of time, and that is $800 a month for a couple. Again, there is a little bit of premium. There is a $3,200 total on that. Again, when you take the $1,650 and the value for this is $34.98. $34.98 is the value. But for now, you get it for $3,050 for a couple. That gets 2 of you signed up. So, and I would suggest if you both want to do this, that you do it together. I really would suggest that. I do have several couples, many couples that have taken this together. And you know what? Most couples end up getting 2 separate brokerage accounts because of their investing personalities. And I love that. I love that. Even in my quick trading group, there is a husband-wife team there, and they have 2 separate brokerage accounts so they can each do their own things. So learning you is very important, and that is completely okay. So again, if you want to sign up for this course, is anybody here want to do it with their spouse? If you want to do it with your spouse, say yes, with my spouse. Now, not do it, but take this course. Take this course. If you're interested in taking this course with your spouse, just say, I'm interested with my spouse. Now, I want to share with you, because I really want you to get in this, I'm going to throw in some additional stuff for you. Now, here's some bonuses. I got 2 empowering lessons that are waiting for you that's in our class area for the 21 days to stock market investing. The first one is Brokerage 101. Now, what we did not talk about, I think one of the questions that we had was, how do I get started trading stocks? And the key thing you have to have is a brokerage account. And so this is a lesson that's in it. It's a bonus teaching that is right in your class area. When you sign up for this course, it's a video. It's about 16 minutes long. And it tells you some quick questions and how to evaluate yourself, how to evaluate your needs and pick a broker. So with that, this is Brokerage 101, select a broker with confidence. If you sign up for the course, this is available for you right now, and you can start on this today if you sign up today. And that way, by the time class starts, you already have your broker. Now, you can also wait, because this is going to also be something that we do as a class. So you can also talk to each other and hear what brokers everybody has. And I share with you what brokers I have. I have, oh my goodness, this is embarrassing, but I have 5 brokers. I do not want you to have 5 brokers. I do not want you to have 5 brokers, but I have 5 brokers. Now, I will tell you the story of how I got 5 brokers. I think some of it's in that video. but I have 5 brokers. I don't want you to do that. I want you to get one broker that works for you. So that is a bonus teaching that's right there in the in the 21 days, the stock market investing class. Now, the next thing I want you to do is look at this particular bonus. Remember how I said one of the things you need to learn is how to watch stocks? I have a lesson that tells you exactly what I mean when I say stock watching. It is 6 simple steps to stock watching. 6 simple steps to stock watching. Say that fast 6 times. So this is step-by-step instructions, how to watch for potential stocks to buy, and you can do this in just 45 seconds a day. 45 seconds a day. I promise you, all I did was I just took what I was doing, took it out of my head and put it in a video. And I teach it to every one of my classes, and every one of my students do this. And it's simple. There's no tools to buy. There's no software to buy. And with this whole program, there is nothing else that you need to buy. The only thing you will need is any money that you want to invest in the market. So I'm not going to sign you up for something and then say you need to buy this, you need to buy that. You don't have to buy anything else from me to make this program work for you once you sign up for the program. So this 6 simple steps to stock watching, this is a bonus teaching that's for you. If you want to sign up early, this bonus teaching is for you, and it is out there waiting for you right now. Now, also, I have an early bird special, Remember how I told you about that Graduates Forum Facebook group? The Graduates Forum is a Facebook group. And so there you get the monthly advanced teachings, you get virtual trading challenges, the biblical investing lessons, you get the group coaching, you get the portfolios, but instead of the portfolios, you're getting the weekly teaching every week on what's going on in this volatile market. I do impromptu market updates. We just have fun in that group. If you sign up before this Saturday at midnight, I will put you in this group right away. And you will be a part of the training that is going to happen on Sunday that looks at the 147 companies that are trading below $5. We look at the fundamentals and ask ourselves, will these companies survive? If you sign up by this Saturday before midnight, you will get put in this group right away. So not only will you have 6 months, you will have an additional 2 months in this group. You get 8 months total. That's almost a year. But that's only if you sign up early. Only if you sign up before Saturday at midnight. So I'd love to see you get in that group and be in that training on this Sunday. Now, also, another thing that I have, if you want to sign up early by this Saturday midnight, use this coupon, FAST20, and you get $100 off the price of the class. It goes from $16.50 down to $15.50. The couples goes from $30.50 to $29.50. So you get $100 off the price of this class. Again, the coupon code is FAST20 for the year 2020. FAST20. Use that coupon code. Now, I am so confident that this class, that this course, that this program is going to work for you, that I have a money-back guarantee. Now, it is guaranteed that this is going to provide you the education to research and trade stocks and ETFs after completing the 21 days of coursework and the 60 days of virtual trading, or you'll get your money back. Bottom line is, you're going to know what you're doing. Now, there's an asterisk there, so let me tell you what's in the fine print. I can't read it, but in the fine print, when I say that you take the course, you have to be in every course live. Because just like we did in the Stock Savvy sessions, the class is recorded, and then they will be in your class area, just like here in the Stock Savvy sessions. You can go watch the videos later, but to be a part of the money back guarantee, I have to have you there live. So if you miss one course, that means the money back guarantee does not apply for you. Now, you can still get it. It's going to be on video, but you just won't be able to claim the money back guarantee. I've had nobody claim this money, use this money back guarantee. I've had nobody ask for it. I've had nobody ask for it because they know what they're doing after this. I promise you, you're going to get it. I'm not going to change my teaching style up and give you something differently than I've given you in Stock Savvy. If you learn from me in Stock Savvy, you'll learn from me in this. Now, this is what some people said. I've had people that have said, oh my God, Carolyn, you've just changed my life. I had one person after day one that went out and bought mutual funds, because not only are you going to learn stocks, you're going to learn ETFs and mutual funds at the same time. We're going to go through all of that. I had somebody leave the day one class and go and buy mutual funds. And they wrote me back. I think it's right here. Let's see, where is it? I learned, in fact, I just placed my first order for a mutual fund using the knowledge you shared with us. That was right here. This is somebody that lives in Plano, Texas, and they did that after the day one session. I go, what? You did what? I said, Carolyn, you gave me the missing pieces to the puzzle. I already knew I wanted to do it. I just didn't have the information. In that day one session, people tell me that they learned more than they've learned in a whole semester of college. I had one of my students say that as a testimonial too. So with that, there are people that have taken this course. I know, and it has worked for them. I know it'll work for you too. I really want you to sign up. Here it is, all in summary. As an individual, if you make a one-time payment, it's $1,650 per student, or you can do 4 monthly payments, $430 a month for 4 months. If you use a coupon code of FAST20, you'll get a $100 discount, and you'll get instant access to that Graduates Forum Facebook group. So you can get some of my impromptu updates and all of the things that I'm doing with people that's already graduated from the course. So you'll have that while you're going through the course at the same time. So that is available for you right now. Now, another thing, let me kind of summarize the couples. Here is the couples, same thing. You get all of the same bonuses. You can use that same coupon code FAST20, get a $100 discount off the price of the course. Now that discount is only valid through midnight, Saturday, April 25th, 2020. If you want to make a one-time payment for a couple, it's $30.50. If you want to make 4 equal monthly payments, it's $800 for the couple that gets 2 of you with lifetime access to this. And you both get in the graduates group early and start to get some of those market updates that I'm doing over there. Now, does anybody have any questions? How you sign up for this right now is if you go to your Stock Savvy sessions, one of the lectures there is all of the information that you need to sign up. Click the link and you can sign up right now. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm available to answer all of your questions. So if you have any questions, you can type them in the chat. I will look through and see if you've asked any questions so far. I see one person says, I'm not sure I have to do research. Yeah, you really don't. I think if you've ever looked at a course like this, you can tell. I know what my competitors are charging. I know what my competitors are charging. I'm not charging half of that yet. It will get there. It will get there. But I'm just doing it little by little by little. And I'm praying that all the teaching that I do on Money reVerse can help us to shift our mindset to start to do things with our money that's good for the future instead of doing a lot of things now. Because with that, you start to understand value and you start to make different money decisions. You start to make different money decisions when you start to really look at what am I doing now and is it best for my future? This is an investment. What an investment is where you put money out with an expectation that you're going to get a return. I'll tell you, today alone in the stock market, I have stocks, I didn't sell them, but I have stocks that are up more than the price of the couple's price, the couple's price. You can make this in a day. The price of this class, if you apply this. Now, one thing that I did not share is that this will take an investment from you, not only money, it will take you applying yourself and really kind of putting yourself out there and going at it. You're going to have to go at it. I can put the information out there, but if you don't take the time to go through it or don't show up for the meetings, it's all on video, but I'm telling you, it's the tribe that's really going to help you. So you're going to have to do that. Let me tell you what money does. What money does. It's a lie. And I have my front door open. So hang on, I want to just close my front door. Thank you. Thank you. tell you what money does. Money will make you think that you've done something when you spend it. You will think you've done something. Suppose somebody that wants to work out, that say they're going to start exercising. The first thing they do is they go buy workout shoes, they go buy workout gear, they go buy the weights, they get the cute outfits, and they go buy the tennis shoes, and they think, yes, I've done something. Baby, you hadn't done nothing but buy stuff. But money makes you think you've done something. So I'm telling you, spending money on the course, you still haven't done the work. You've got to do the work as well. So that's what I'm going to ask for each of you that sign up. Now, I see a link here. So that is a link to the course. And it's also in your Stock Savvy session. Just go to the Stock Savvy session and you'll see it there. You can click the link and then you can register. So I see a question. How often a year do you offer this class? 2 or 3 times a year? I offer it once in the spring and once in the fall. So I'll offer it again in the October timeframe. Good question. So I offer it in the spring and in the fall. And the reason I don't offer it a lot is because I spend so much time with each student that I can't have classes starting all the time. Remember, this is a 9-month experience. So I got to give it at least 6 months between the time I offer so I don't shortchange any student. So I do give you my time. Okay, I'm looking. I don't see any more questions. That's my next question. Oh, okay. I think that was the homework question. Okay. Am I overlooking any questions? I see a question. Computer trading good to have? Computer trading good to have? I wonder if is computer trading good to have? I don't know. Is computer trading good to have? Computer trading. I don't know what you mean by computer trading. You mean trading using your computer, doing it yourself? If that's what you're asking, I'm going to say definitely yes. Nowadays, it's expected that you're doing your own trading as opposed to calling a broker and having them do trades for you. You can do that, but you're going to pay them a lot of money. You're going to pay them relatively a lot of money for something that you could do for free. Because right now, no brokers are charging commissions. You can trade stocks and you don't pay a commission to a broker at all. So basically, you can trade stocks for free. That started October last year. Game changer, another game changer. That changed the world for me because that's how I can do quick money trades. You go in, I don't think I like it anymore, trade. I don't think I like it anymore, trade. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Now, I don't do a whole lot because a lot of the brokers will flag you, but game changer, I didn't have to worry about $4.95. Okay, I'm going up looking for questions, and then I'm going to go back down to the bottom. Oh, I see a lot of you say I learned a lot. That is great. That is great. Okay. Do you provide services as a financial advisor and manage the accounts of clients? No, I do not. I am a financial coach, which means I can teach you to do it yourself, but I am not a financial advisor and I do not manage accounts for others. So I am more of an educator and a coach, and that is on purpose. So now if you go to a financial advisor, I want you to really look for a certified financial planner. That is what I went to school for in 2017. And I took all the courses and then I decided I didn't want to go under the certification. I didn't want to have those type of restrictions. I would not be able to do this today if I was a certified financial planner. There's a reason you don't see other people like me doing this. There's a reason, trust me. So yeah, how many people have you seen doing this? There's a reason you don't. And you know what? Nobody can slap my hand. I'm not a part of anybody's organization. Okay. Computers that are doing the trades automatically. Oh, robo trading. You know, you can do robo trading. I know some people that do, and I think that it works for some people. Definitely take a look at it. And robo trading, for those of you that don't know, that's what's happening sometimes when we see these market sell-offs. You load in the computer all into the program the things that you like, the way you would like it to trade, and it'll go and just find trades for you and then buy it for you. So you can definitely look at that. I think that they've gotten good over the years. I think that they've gotten good. I know some people that's done some comparisons of their own trades against going with a robo trade and seeing that there really was not a lot of difference at all with very experienced traders. So definitely that is an option for you. Yes, good question. Okay. How do brokers make money now? They have other services. They're making money on interest that sits in the account. They're making money on other services. They also offer their financial advisory services. So they really stopped charging brokers fees because they had to. Kind of like the airlines have to drop the prices in a market when one airline drops the price. If this airline sells from Dallas to Little Rock for $39, the other airlines have to sell from Dallas to Little Rock for $39. That's really what happened. You had some brokers that were coming in and saying, okay, new world, we're not going to charge trading fees. And so all the old people go, well, or they said, new world, we're going to charge $4.95. And they go, yeah, we'll charge $4.95. New world, we're not charging fees at all. They go, yeah, we're not going to charge fees at all. It's kind of just like long distance went away. Remember how long you used to pay long distance charges, and that all kind of got roped into voice over IP? That's basically what happened. So yeah, I've enjoyed the 4 classes. I am interested. The fall will work for me, getting completely debt free to have money available. That is great. That is exactly what I want you to do. So I am going to say, if nobody else has any questions, I'm going to say it has been a joy and a pleasure to have you in the Money reVerse Stock Savvy sessions. It has been such a joy to have you. This has been so fun. And I want you to stay tuned. If you have not liked my Money reVerse page, please do that. I'm going to do some other things here in the group. I also have some other things that's coming up. One thing that was announced that I will be announcing soon is another class that I'm going to be doing 1st of May. And it is in conjunction with another organization. You'll see it here. You'll see it here. And it's I'm doing some other classes and some other collaborations with other people. So that will also be a class that would be good. It's more about money mindset and helping you to get through tough money times, knowing what to do. Okay, no other questions. I am going to say thank you so much for signing up for Stock Savvy sessions and showing up. And I do appreciate each one of you. I'm going to see it. One else, but thank you so much. I thoroughly enjoyed the sessions. I did too, Boston. Thank you so much. I'm going to say have a great evening, everybody. I'd love to see you all as students in my 21 Days to Stock Market Investing class. Class starts on the 4th. You have until Sunday, the Sunday before the 3rd, to sign up. And I hope to see every one of you in class. Bye now.